Hello everyone, so I'm back with another toy review, and this here is the Toy Story Collection Woody. And sorry I don't have the box that says Toy Story Collection and Woody's Roundup, the package, but it's already thrown out because it's a lot of garbage because we wanted more space. But so sorry about that. And I'm about to show you the certificate of authenticity of Woody. And it says, this definitive Woody is a certified replica lovingly produced by Thinkway Toys by using digital data from the world's first full-length computer animated film. Hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed creating the character. And it says John Lasseter, the director of Toy Story 1 and 2, but not Toy Story 3, but it's a new director. And hey, howdy, hey, here's Woody, and there's Woody in the picture. So let's get to Woody now. Here's Woody, and he has a removable hat. Here's his hat, and great detailing like in the movie. He has he has a nice hair. When you take off his hat, I like how they make the head of Woody, and here's the face, and here's his sheriff logo right there, and here's his cowboy vest, his belt, and his holster. And here he is. And also this Toy Story Collection Woody comes with a cowboy stand of a shape of his cowboy badge, and so I'm gonna show you what he does. And great detailing on the boots. So just take him off his stand and I'll show you. So his articulation 360 degrees, and his hands can move 360 degrees, and so I'm going to show you what he does. And you can't see, here's his little functions right there. You have to pull this down, and it says try me off and play mode. So let's turn him to try me mode and hear what he says in try me. So, and he comes and he has a string, and so let's hear what he says. Maybe I forgot to put it on properly. Oh, there, it works now. Here's his string, and let's hear what are the phrases he says in try me mode. So let's do it.
Ha ha! Boy, am I glad to see you. Howdy, partner. My name's Sheriff Woody. Reach for the sky. You're my favorite deputy. Well, pull my string. Yee-haw! Say, partner, what do you want to do today? Come on, let's have ourselves a rootin', tootin' good time. Oh, wait, that tickles. You know, you are one fun deputy. Okay, time for this here llama to take a little nap. See ya.
So that's all he says in try me mode. So he has an interactive mode on play mode. Like when you switch him to play mode, he'll talk to you and he'll respond, and then like if you want to turn off his talk back feature, pull his string once and pull it again to activate the talkback feature. And then he has toy modes when you pull the string. So let's turn him to play mode.
Howdy, partner. My name's Sheriff Woody, but you can just call me Woody.
So let's talk to Woody. Hey, Woody.
Ha ha! Boy, am I glad to see you.
Yep, you are.
There's nothing like riding through town with my favorite deputy. And that's you, partner.
Say, Woody.
Yee-haw! Ride him, cowboy!
So, watch what happens if you yell at Woody. And watch this. Hey, Woody!
Hey, where'd everybody go?
Oh. Hey, Woody!
Oh, brother, would you keep it down?
And also if you...
Being sheriff is a big responsibility, but hey, someone's got to do it.
And let's hear what he says when you yell at him.
The
Or
sheriff always wears his badge with pride.
And if you do tap it hard on his thing, he'll react too, because it's really loud.
Hey, howdy, hey!
Come on. Watch this.
When there's trouble on the prairie, I'm your sheriff. Whoa! Simmer down. No need to be so loud, partner.
And then there's more.
Oh, yeah, that was loud.
And...
If there's one thing I've learned about
Nope.
being a sheriff, it's that you're only as good as your favorite deputy. And since you're my favorite deputy, I must be the best sheriff around. Say, partner, what do you want to
No.
do today?
Sorry.
Well, pull my string! Yee-haw! Come on, let's have ourselves a rootin' tootin' good time!
No. You know what?
This town ain't big enough for the two of us. What am I saying? Of course it is.
Let's try yelling at him. Like, hey, Woody! Okay, so that's all four he says when you
Hey, partner,
raise your voice
you've
at him.
got a friend in me.
So let's pull a string once to...
Come on, partner, it's time for a roundup. There's a snake in my boot.
Okay, so I just pulled his string once so he can stop talking. And let's pull it again to activate the interactive mode.
Reach for the sky.
And hear his toy sayings.
This town ain't big enough for the two of us. Yeah, partner, we gotta get this wagon train a-moving. You're my favorite deputy.
So let's...
Yeehaw!
So let's hear what he says when you leave him alone, and he may he's going to fall asleep.
Got my sheriff's hat, my
When you
favorite
leave him.
deputy by my side? Yep, I'm ready for adventure. Hey, where'd everybody go? Everyone here? and take a little nap. See ya.
So he's asleep now. So thanks again for watching my reviews, and so I'll bring you back with more reviews like Buzz Lightyear, the Toy Story collection, or the rest of the toys. And I do have a Toy Story movie talking Jessie, so I might review her too. But it's not the Toy Story collection, the Jessie that I have. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.